HYROX. How are you?
Well, I'm pretty delighted to have gotten through it. I won't lie, my legs feel like Jenny, my lungs are burning, but it was an absolutely electrifying experience. The environment's great. The partner I worked this through was great. We pushed each other all the way through. I think we'd come in after an hour and 30 minutes. We did it in an hour and 17, so I'm pretty chuffed with that.
Fantastic result, thank you. Marcus, how are you feeling? Your first men's doubles?
So just great to be here. It's my third HYROX, but first doubles. Great to have Mike. Mike was a legendary partner. We kept talking all the way around, just encouraging each other on, working out who would go first, who would go second. So yeah, I just really encourage any of you out there, never tried a HYROX. The doubles is a great entry point.
Yeah.
Do it with a friend, pair up, you can share the workouts.
Yeah, I've got to say, your communication between the two of you looked to really be in flow. How did you manage to communicate when you were running, when you were under that pressure? Mike?
Well, it's pretty easy. I knew that if Marcus got tired, there's no ways I was going to finish this, so I needed him to finish, so I kept motivating him.
Love it. Marcus?
It's interesting, we went in with a bit of a plan, but it wasn't over-engineered, so I think having some fluidity in there, and just deciding we didn't say we'd do a set distance or a set time, it was like, you know, when the other one's tired, the other one jumps in, and I think that's when teamwork really comes together, when you can just listen to each other, respond in the moment, and just support each other across the line.
Yeah, amazing.
I think the key word is teamwork. We're doing it together, right? So if you're flagging, I got to help you up. Simple as that, right? We kept each other going right through the event. Really appreciate it, Marcus. Thank you.
As I was watching you guys, you made the shepherd's carry look easy. You kind of flowed through that. You looked to really be enjoying that one, Mike.
Well, there were no sheep, but was the farmer's walk. And yeah, it was. I got to say, he was pretty good at that. I think all the kettlebell training really helped him, and that inspired me as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, fingers crossed, kettlebells, we should be in about the top 300 for the day. We wait and see, but every time we did well on that. So strong team performance. Mike just picked it up and kept on running.
And you guys have been friends for the best part of 13 years. What did you learn about each other today, deepening your friendship in a new way? Mike?
I got to be honest, I think it helped me appreciate wives, because Roz is carrying our bags the whole way through for us, and my wife allowed me to do this. So I'm pretty grateful to the other halves.
So I think for me, it reminded me that like Mike's a very reliable friend, right? He was reliable. So there were a number of points where I needed him to step in and he'd step up, and he did each and every time. So, you know, friendship is about carrying each other when we're a little bit low, when we're a little bit down, and like today's been a real testament to that.
Yeah, thank you. And my final question, you're both Christians. Were there moments when you were kind of praying at all during this, or how did
Yeah, I was praying, dear Lord, get me through this. I'm in hell and it's agony at times, but most of it was, I was encouraged by Marcus. But yeah, it was pretty painful, but worth it in the end. I think it's great for fitness.
Awesome. Marcus, any concluding thoughts?
Just a fantastic day out. Great, you know, a great way to celebrate friendship, coming together and exercising, you know, kind of a real community inclusive feel. So if you haven't done a HYROX before, never done doubles, do give it a go. Great to have you along for the ride. So yeah, Metcon, Marcus and Michael out.
Woo-hoo!
Yeah, thank you.